need to find out if your Windows is 10 or 11 and which specific version you are in. First one is using this simple command. Press Windows plus key and R key on your keyboard. This will open the run command. In the box that appears, type in winver and press enter. A window will appear displaying your Windows version, edition, and build number. You can also do this through the settings menu. Press the Windows key and the I key at the same time on your keyboard, or you can just simply tap on this Windows button and then go to settings. From the settings, go to system and then tap on about, which you will find in the bottom below the optional features, and look under the Windows specifications section to find your edition, your version, and OS build, which is the complete build number and all. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.